Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea. First, select your preferred tea, whether it's black, green, or herbal. You'll also need fresh water and any sweeteners you enjoy, like sugar or honey. Decide if you want a hot brew for a quick result or cold brew for a smoother, less bitter taste. Having your pitcher or jar ready is the next step to ensure a seamless process. Let's get started with the hot brew method. For the hot brew method, bring water to a boil, typically around 212 degrees Fahrenheit for black tea. Place your tea bags or loose leaf tea into a heat-safe pitcher. Pour the hot water over the tea and let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Once steeped, remove the tea. You'll have a strong tea concentrate that needs to cool down before moving to the next step. If you prefer cold brew, combine your tea and cold water in a pitcher. Refrigerate this mixture for 8 to 12 hours, allowing the flavors to slowly infuse. After brewing, strain out the tea leaves or remove the tea bags. Now, for sweetening, you can add sugar, honey, or a simple syrup while the tea is still warm from hot brewing, or directly to cold brew. Stir well until fully dissolved for a consistent taste. To serve your delicious iced tea, fill your favorite glasses generously with ice cubes. Pour the chilled tea over the ice, leaving a little room for garnishes. A slice of lemon, a sprig of fresh mint, or even some berries can elevate the experience and add a burst of flavor. Enjoy your perfectly brewed, refreshing iced tea. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.